Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you join our community of woodworking enthusiasts where creativity meets craftsmanship. Here, we explore a variety of woodworking projects that cater to all skill levels, from beginners just starting out to seasoned artisans looking for fresh inspiration. Our goal is to provide you with innovative ideas that not only help you hone your skills, but also empower you to create beautiful, functional pieces for your home. Whether you're interested in furniture making, home decor accents, or unique gifts, you'll find something here to ignite your passion for woodworking. In addition to hands-on projects, we delve into the world of woodworking techniques, tool reviews, and materials selection, ensuring you have the knowledge needed to succeed. We believe that woodworking is not just about building. It's about expressing yourself and connecting with others who share your passion. As you embark on this creative journey with us, we encourage you to engage with our content, ask questions, and share your own projects. Together, we can foster a supportive environment where everyone can learn and grow. So grab your tools, get inspired, and let's start crafting remarkable pieces that will last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more woodworking projects and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos, ensuring you never miss out on new techniques and creative ideas. We also encourage you to share our videos with fellow woodworking enthusiasts or anyone looking to explore this rewarding craft. Your support helps us grow our community and reach more people who share our passion. And remember, stay tuned until the end of the video for bonus tips and insights that could take your woodworking skills to the next level. We appreciate your engagement and can't wait to see what you create. The choice of wood is fundamental in woodworking, influencing both the aesthetics and functionality of your projects. While hardwoods like oak and maple are celebrated for their durability and rich grain patterns, they can be costly. For budget-savvy woodworkers, softwoods such as pine, cedar, and fir offer a more accessible alternative. These woods are not only more affordable but also easier to handle, making them ideal for beginners. Softwoods can be easily shaped and finished, allowing you to create beautiful pieces that mimic the appearance of more expensive hardwoods. Additionally, the lighter weight of softwoods can make transportation and assembly easier, appealing to customers looking for practical solutions in their homes. Exploring design ideas. When diving into woodworking, creativity is key. Consider multifunctional furniture, such as a coffee table that incorporates storage space. This kind of design serves a dual purpose, catering to the needs of modern homeowners who often seek to maximize their living areas. Open shelving units are another excellent idea, providing a stylish way to display books, plants, and decorative items while keeping clutter at bay. The versatility of such projects allows you to cater to various design aesthetics, from rustic farmhouse to sleek modern styles, making your creation suitable for a broad audience. By tapping into current design trends, you can ensure that your projects resonate with potential buyers. Emphasizing sustainability. Sustainability is more than just a trend. It's a growing concern among consumers. By sourcing reclaimed or recycled wood for your projects, you can appeal to eco-conscious buyers while also reducing waste. Salvaged wood often comes with a unique character and history, making each piece one of a kind. This not only enhances the aesthetic of your work, but also allows you to tell a story that resonates with buyers. Implementing sustainable practices can set you apart in a crowded market, attracting customers who prioritize environmental responsibility. Moreover, showcasing your commitment to sustainability can enhance your brand's reputation and foster customer loyalty. Budgeting your projects. Effective budgeting is crucial for the success of any woodworking venture. Before embarking on a project, take the time to outline all potential expenses, including materials, tools, and finishes. This foresight can help you avoid overspending and ensure that your projects remain profitable. Researching materials and shopping during sales or using discounts can significantly cut costs. Additionally, consider purchasing in bulk, which can be more economical in the long run. Having a clear budget not only helps in tracking expenses, but also allows you to set competitive prices for your finished products, maximizing your profit margins. Marketing your woodworking creations. Once your woodworking projects are complete, it's time to promote them effectively. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your creations through high-quality images and engaging descriptions. Visual storytelling can captivate potential buyers and highlight the craftsmanship behind each piece. Participating in local craft fairs or farmers markets can also provide opportunities to display your work and connect with customers face-to-face. Establishing an online presence through a dedicated website or an Etsy shop can further broaden your reach, allowing you to tap into a larger customer base and increase sales. Creating a brand identity. In a competitive woodworking market, a strong brand identity can make all the difference. Consider what makes your work unique, whether it's your design style, commitment to sustainability, or the quality of your craftsmanship. Develop a compelling narrative that encapsulates your brand's values and resonates with your target audience. This narrative can be reflected in your marketing materials, social media posts, and product descriptions. A well-defined brand identity not only helps attract customers, but also builds trust, encouraging repeat business and customer referrals. The importance of finishing techniques. The finishing touches on your woodworking projects can elevate them from ordinary to extraordinary. The finish you choose, whether a natural oil, stain, or paint, can highlight the wood's natural beauty and protect it from damage. Experimenting with different techniques can help you discover what works best for your style and enhances the overall aesthetic of your pieces. A high-quality finish can significantly increase the perceived value of your work, allowing you to charge a premium price. Customers are often willing to invest more in beautifully finished products that stand the test of time. Learning and improving skills. Woodworking is a craft that benefits from continual learning and improvement. As you take on new projects, seek feedback from customers and fellow woodworkers to refine your techniques. Online tutorials, workshops, and local community classes can provide invaluable insights into advanced woodworking methods and current trends. By dedicating time to improve your skills, you can expand your repertoire, allowing you to create more complex and appealing products. This commitment to self-improvement not only enhances your craftsmanship, but also positions you as a knowledgeable and trustworthy artisan in the market. Networking with other artisans. Building relationships with other artisans can foster collaboration and open up new opportunities. Consider partnering with local artists or creators to combine your skills, resulting in unique, hybrid products that attract a diverse customer base. Networking can also provide insights into market trends and customer preferences, helping you stay ahead of the competition. Engaging with fellow artisans through workshops, trade shows, or online forums can lead to valuable exchanges of ideas and techniques, enriching your own woodworking practice while expanding your professional network. Adapting to market trends. Staying attuned to market trends is essential for any woodworking business. Consumer preferences can shift rapidly, influenced by design fads, seasonal changes, and lifestyle shifts. Keeping an eye on popular interior design styles, such as minimalism, industrial, or bohemian, can help you tailor your projects to meet current demands. Seasonal themes, like holiday decor or outdoor furniture for summer gatherings, can also create timely selling opportunities. By adapting your offerings to reflect these trends, you can ensure that your products remain relevant and desirable among consumers. Embracing online sales platforms. In today's digital world, online sales platforms have become essential for reaching a wider audience. Websites like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and even social media marketplaces allow you to showcase and sell your woodworking creations beyond your local community. When setting up your online shop, ensure that your listings are visually appealing and informative, featuring high-quality images and detailed descriptions that highlight the craftsmanship and unique features of each piece. Engaging with customers through online interactions and providing excellent service can build a loyal customer base and facilitate repeat sales. Diversifying your product line. To maximize your woodworking business's profitability, consider diversifying your product line. In addition to larger items like furniture, small projects such as home decor accents, kitchen utensils, and custom gifts can appeal to different segments of the market. This diversification not only broadens your customer base, but also allows you to effectively use leftover materials from larger projects. By offering a range of products, you can attract customers who may be looking for gifts or smaller decor items, ensuring that your creations cater to various needs and occasions. Understanding customer needs. Listening to customer feedback is crucial for refining your woodworking projects. Engaging with your audience through surveys or social media polls can provide valuable insights into their preferences and desires. Understanding what customers are looking for, whether it's specific styles, sizes, or functionalities, can guide your future projects and help you meet their expectations. This responsiveness not only fosters customer loyalty, but can also lead to repeat business and referrals, further enhancing your reputation in the woodworking community. The joy of creating. Ultimately, woodworking is about more than just making a profit. It's about the joy and satisfaction of creating something beautiful. Each project presents an opportunity to express your creativity and craftsmanship, allowing you to leave a mark on the world through your work. Embrace the process of woodworking, from the initial design to the final finish, and take pride in your creations. Remember that every piece you make not only contributes to your personal journey as a woodworker, but also has the potential to bring joy and functionality into someone else's home. This passion for creation can inspire you to continually innovate and push the boundaries of your craft. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the content helpful and inspiring for your woodworking journey. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects and tips. Your likes and shares mean the world to us and help us reach a wider audience of fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Remember, your engagement not only motivates us to create more content, but also fosters a vibrant community where everyone can learn and grow together. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy woodworking!